A very good morning to all of you and welcome back to our channel The Teacher. In this tutorial we will talk about how to cross promote your YouTube channels using cards and screen and channel pages. If you have more than one YouTube channel, then you can use these techniques to drive traffic from one channel to another. I have already uploaded 3 constructive videos on cards and screens and channel pages, and in this video we will use them to divert traffic from one channel to another. So let's get started and have a look into the Guru, where I uploaded tutorials in Hindi language specifically for Indian audience. From last month, I again started uploading new tutorials on this channel, but as you know that getting YouTube views is not an easy task for new channels in this competitive world. So I was thinking of a way to quickly drive traffic to my new channel and to the latest uploaded videos. In last 30 days, I uploaded around 10 new videos on this channel and a few of them are getting more views than usual. Now let's investigate my other channel, The Teacher, which is in good standing with 140k subscribers and around 700k monthly views. If we move to the audience section, then in the month of April, India is on number 1 with 21.2% of total views from top countries according to views, which is around 155k views from India. I now have an estimate that how many people from India are watching my videos in a month. It is also obvious that thousands of them might also know the Hindi language and will be interested to watch my tutorials in Hindi language as well. The point is there a way to drive all those Indian viewers to the Guru channel? Surely you can use cards and screens and channel pages to notify your viewers that the same tutorial is also available in another language. That could be beneficial if you have more than one YouTube channel and one of them in your regional language. Now let's have a look into YouTube analytics of the Guru channel for last 90 days. From April onwards, when I again started uploading new tutorials on this channel, you can see a sudden increase in the views. That is not because I started uploading new videos, but instead I used cards and end screen to divert traffic from the Teacher channel to the Guru. So if we move to the reach section and look into the traffic sources, then you can see that 44% of the total traffic of this channel is from end screens. Video cards are on number 3 with 7% of total views. We can look deep into the end screen report and can know on which videos we are getting most of the clicks on the end screens. You will be surprised to see that top 6 videos which are getting most of the views through end screen are not of this channel, instead they all belong to the Teacher channel. That means people are coming to the Guru channel by clicking on the cards and end screen of the Teacher channel. For instance, if we take a look into the top performing videos of the Teacher channel, then on the top of the chart is easy method of creating animated scene. I was pretty sure that Indian audience will love to watch this tutorial in Hindi as well. So I created and uploaded a new tutorial on the Guru channel titling How to Make Animation in PowerPoint Tutorial in Hindi. The final step was to add the link of this Hindi version tutorial video into the cards and end screen of the English version. So let's edit this easy method of creating animated scene video so I may show you the details of cards and end screens. First have a look into the cards, and at 6 seconds you can see that I have embedded a card, and that video is from the Guru channel, How to Make Animation in PowerPoint Tutorial in Hindi. Keep in mind that in cards and end screen you can paste the URL of any video from YouTube. Doesn't matter if that video is from your channel or someone else. So I pasted the URL of Hindi version tutorial here and also customized the teaser text and added a custom message. So right after the preview of the animation, the card teaser appears displaying video also available in Hindi. And if someone click on that teaser, then he see a list of all the videos embedded into the cards, and he also sees the custom message. Click to watch in Hindi. I also added the Hindi tutorial URL to the end screen, and if we look into the analytics of this particular tutorial, then end screen element click rate is 3.5%, where 35% of audience watching this video is from India. Same way, I choose a few top performing videos from the teacher and uploaded their Hindi version to the Guru, and embedded the Hindi version video links into the English version videos, end screen and cards. I was pretty sure that using cards and end screen, I can cross promote the Guru channel through the teacher channel for Indian audience specifically, and the YouTube analytics shows that the experiment was successful. Another example could be this particular video that you are watching now. I have already uploaded a Hindi version of this video on the Guru channel, and you can see that I am cross promoting that video into the card and end screen of this video. So if you upload two versions of two videos into two different languages on two different YouTube channels, then you can take the help of cards and end screen to promote your YouTube channel and videos. Placing a Hindi tutorial on the channel page of an English channel might not be a good idea, but if you also want to try that, then you can go to the customize channel page, and here you can feature a video for your returning subscriber and new visitors, and that could be one of your Hindi version video as well. Hope you will find this video informative. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting. You can subscribe to our channel as there is a lot more to come. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.